Hello everybody, my name is 𝘿𝒆𝐻. I'm a dental technician and I'm the head of the business development at the company Dental Direkt. And I wish to invite you, and I'm happy to announce that at the first time we are in India, and on the 3rd of December we have our event with Dental Direkt India. We will learn a lot there. We will have a lot of interesting topics there, everything around Zirconia materials, where we wish to show you all our products, all the new technologies, all the new materials, what we are planning for the future. So please join us, and I'm really happy and looking forward to see you there. See you soon. Bye bye.